everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruby Patchouli, and on this channel we talk about curls and self-development. Today's video is going to be an extreme curly hair routine. We are doing the most so that we can get the most days out of our curly hair routine. So I am using a lot of product. We are going to be focusing on longevity and definition, not so much volume. This is a long curly hair routine, but it might be worth your while. So stay tuned. I don't know about you guys, but I've been having a hard time with my hair. When I do my hair looks amazing. And then as soon as I step outside, it gets so flat. So I'm in the market to try and find a solution to that. I am gonna start testing out curly hairsprays to see if that helps keep my hair in place. But today I'm gonna try a gel. I'm gonna see if using a gel will actually help prolong my curly hair routines. We're gonna see. But first, I am at 1,000 subscribers. Thank you everyone who subscribed, and it just makes me want to keep pumping out videos for you guys even more. So thank you so much. First things first, like always, we're gonna wet our hair. Today the deep conditioner that I used was a coconut based deep conditioner. I like it. It left my hair feeling very soft and moisturized. All right, let's wet our hair. We're gonna apply our leave-in. I've been using the same leave-in for the past few weeks. That's how I like to use my product. I like to use it until it's almost done, and then I purchase something new. This is the Poppin Pineapple So Smooth Vitamin C Leave-In Conditioner. So now we are going to go in with our cream. Today's cream is going to be Aunt Jackie's Flawless Pattern Perfecting Pudding. This is the bottle. This is thick, so apply it sparingly. The first one was a little bit bigger. Make sure you get the back, the crown area underneath, and the bottom, behind your neck. So now we're gonna start styling before we apply our gel. We're gonna start with our brush, taking sections. We're gonna put the brush behind our hair, hand on the top, and smooth everything down. I like to smooth everything down behind my neck because the hairs behind my neck, like, they just tend to shrink and curl in. So I like to make sure I flatten this area as much as possible so it doesn't shrink too much. The next step is going to be to apply our gel. The way that I'm going to be applying the gel is with the praying hands technique. This is how much gel I'm going to go in with first. Now I'm going to apply some more. I'm going to do one pump. Now I want to coat the mid shaft of my hair. And now I'm going to go with one more pump, just to be on the safe side, because I really want my hair to last. Now that we're done, we're gonna start diffusing, and like always, we're going to diffuse on low heat and low air. I want to leave you guys with something though. Yes, I always diffuse on low heat and low air, but if you're able to wait longer, then I would say don't do any heat. If you're done drying your hair, diffusing your hair, and you see this is not how the final result is gonna look. We are going to declump. Every time I style my hair now, since I've gotten this new haircut, it's different. I don't know what I'm gonna get. We have one last step, and that is to set everything that we have just done. We're gonna take our blow dryer, we're gonna take off the diffuser attachment, we are going to blast some cold air onto our hair, and that is going to set our hairstyle. I feel like this hair routine is all over the place, but we're finally done. I trimmed the bangs a little bit. Next week I'll probably have to trim them again, but this is the end of our curly hair routine. These are all the products I used. This is day 2. What I'm gonna do first is a burst of cold air. Oh my god, I am sick. I don't feel good. Let's do this quick. Okay, let's do this before my camera dies. So let's use our pick. So you see I have a lot of volume on this side, but not so much this side. It kind of is flat. Let's help it. All right, we're getting somewhere. That's a little better. We are going to use this product today. Eva New York City Just Glisten Hair and Body Shine Mist. Let's give our hair some shine. All right, this is how I'm gonna leave the hair. The bangs don't want to come out to play today. That's okay. This is day 2 hair. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you stayed this long, once again, my name is Ruby Patchouli. I post a video about curls every single week. Stay tuned next week. Thank you, everyone. Bye.